Hello everyone, my name is Edmund and welcome back again to a new tutorials that it could help for us, especially for computer techniques, codes, and other features. In this video, I'll show you how to diagnose your computer if it is crashing or slowing down. So let's proceed. Open up your searching bar on your computer and type only this CMD. In here now the command prompt. In the next step, you need to click this run as administrator. In here now the user account control. In here, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And just only click yes. In here now the home page of the command prompt administrator. And now in the next step, you need to type this command dism space slash online space slash cleanup and dash image space slash checkhealth. That's it, guys, and you need to follow this format, all small letters. And the next step, you need to press enter in here now. So it will show this one if there is a corrupt files on your computer system. So you can see the deployment image servicing management tool in the version, as well as the image version. And now you can see this no component store corruption detected on the operation completed successfully. So that means, guys, this is all cleared, no other error in our system. And this is the very simple technique method on how to diagnose the crashing or how your computer's getting slowing down. So in hope you will learn again in this simple technique and tutorial. And thanks for watching, guys. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click only the bell notifications to update upcoming more videos and tutorials. Thank you, guys, and see you in my next vlogs.